I'm trying to look for it now.
Here are the bullfrogs. You must be in that there somewhere. Quite loud. It's the first time I've heard the bullfrogs.
Yeah.
Can't see them.
Oh, and they're in there somewhere. They're quite big. Yeah.
But that was weird because it sounded like it was from up there.
Yeah, it did at first.
I was looking at that light up there and I thought,
Yeah.
But yeah, that's where they're too, somewhere hiding there, the bullfrogs. And there's a little fish. I don't know if you saw the little fish here swimming around. Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, little roach or something, I think they are. Where are they to now? I'm trying to see them. I can't see them. No, I can't. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hang on. Oh, there he is. Look, right in the centre of the picture. There's another one there as well. Look.